Hello student, welcome to Math Master Plus and nice mathematical Olympic problem. This problem, our question is 4 into power x is equal to 400 and we are finding value of x. Now we write first 4 into x is equal to 400. This will be first we take log. So log of 4 into x is equal to log of 400. Now, as we noted, we use this formula in this position. Log of m into p is equal to p log of m. Now, x log of 4 is equal to log of 400. Divide by log of 4. Divide by log of 4. Log of 4 cut log 4. X is equal to log of 400 divided by log of 4. And next step, as we know that 400 is equal to 4 multiplied by 100. Now we put x is equal to log of 4 into 100 divided by log of 4. Log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So x is equal to this log of 4 plus log of 100 divided by log of 4. Now we write separately x is equal to log of 4 divided by log of 4 plus log of 100 divided by log of 4. This cut by this remain x is equal to 1 plus log of 100 divided by log of 4. X is equal to 1 plus log of 100 divided by log of 4. As we know that 100 is also equal to 4 multiplied by 25. X is equal to 1 plus log of 4 into 25 divided by log of 4. Now this will be x is equal to 1 plus log of 4 plus log of 25 divided by log of 4. Now x is equal to 1 plus log of 4 divided by log of 4 plus log of 25 divided by log of 4. This log 4 cut by this remain 1 and 1 plus 1 is also 2. 2 plus log of 25 divided by log of 4. So next step we solve this 25 first. As we know that 25 is also equal to 5 square and 4 is also equal to 2 square. Now we write x is equal to 2 plus log of 5 square divided by log of 2 square. Now we apply formula log of mp is equal to log of m into p is equal to log of p log of m. Now we use this, we get x is equal to 2 plus 2 log of 5 divided by 2 log of 2. So this 2 cut by this, remain log of 5 divided by log of 2. X is equal to 2 plus log of 5 divided by log of 2. As we know that from this formula, log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a base b. Now we write in this form x is equal to 2 plus log of 5 base 2. This is our value of x. Now we are checking this value. Now we are verifying this problem. Our value of x is here 4 into power 2 plus log of 5 base 2 is equal to log of is equal to 400. Now in next step this will be after using this formula, a into m plus n is equal to a into m into a into n. Now after applying this formula we get 4 into power 2 into 4 into power log of 5 base 2 is equal to 400. Now 4 square is 16 into 4 is 2 square log of 5 base 2 is equal to 400. Next 16 into 2 into this 2 log of 5 base 2 is equal to 400, and this will be 16 into 2 into log of this 2 moved to this side 5 square is also 25 base 2 is equal to 400. Now 16 into 25, after applying this formula a into log of ba is equal to b. After applying this formula we get value of 16 into 25 is equal to 400. Now 25 into 16, and this should be 0, this will be 5, this will be 1, 0, 5, 2, 0, 0, 4, and this will be 400 is equal to 400, and our left hand side is also equal to right hand side, and now our answer is verified, and our value of x is equal to 2 plus log of 5 base 2. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in the comment box. Goodbye. Please subscribe for Olympiad math. Goodbye.